In this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate a very powerful OneCNC CAD feature called Split with Plane. Now, Split with Plane provides the ability to split a solid model into two pieces by using the current construction plane. It's a very effective tool. Now, in this example, you can see we have a part, and I need to split this into two parts, both a top half and a bottom half. Whenever you need to do this, sometimes it's much easier to create the entire part, like I've done here, and then split it into two pieces. Now, this thickness here happens to be 750 thousandths. I'm going to use the current construction plane, the current XY construction plane, to cut this into two pieces. Now, there's two very simple methods for accomplishing this. You can take the construction plane and move it down half the thickness, or you can take the part and move it up half the thickness. I think for this example, I'm just going to take the part and move it up half the thickness. So remember, this thickness here is 750 thousandths. I'm going to hit Control A on the keyboard to select the geometry. Quickly head up here and select our Move tool. We're going to move the part up half the thickness, which is 375 thousandths. That looks great, so I'll click OK to that. Let's deselect the geometry. So now the current construction plane passes right through that. In fact, if I wanted to, I could actually turn that construction plane view on so you can see it. Let's do that. There we go. So there's the current construction plane passing right through the center of the part. Now to split the part in two, we're going to head over here to the Command Manager. We're going to go into our Model Operations, and we're going to select the Split with Plane tool. Now all I need to do is select the solid model that I'd like to split. I'm going to left click that, and that's it. Now the part's been actually split into two pieces. A very quick and efficient workflow. Now let's take it a step further. We'll select the top portion of the part, and let's rotate it around the y-axis. How about 180 degrees? And we'll click OK to that and deselect the geometry. And there you go, a very quick and efficient method to split any solid model using the OneCNC Split with Plane tool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip of the day.